Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use Sezzle app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to install the Sezzle app from your Play Store or your App Store according to your device. And the thing is, Sezzle is simply an app which shows you all of the online website and retailers that it allows Sezzle as the payment method, which also gives you the advantage of splitting your amount in the 4 payments. To complete your payment method by paying 4 times, it can split and without any of the interest. So all you have to do is, first of all, access your Sezzle app, go to your account section and create yourself an account. Once you're done, so whenever you go to any of the website in the bottom as it has listed, once you tap, whenever you choose a product and go to checkout, you will be able to see this, or a monthly payment as low as with Sezzle. Go ahead, tap on that, and now you simply have to enter your address once and then tap on this complete, and here you go. Now it will give you the option of 1 payment or 4 payments. If you would like to do it at once, that's good. You can do it from any or the other payments method as well, but it's good for the splitting. So go ahead, tap on this 4 payments, tap on this continue, and again, once you have continued, you're going to tap on this buy now pay later with Sezzle, and you will be able to pay for it monthly 4 times. It will be splitted. Otherwise, this is the way you can use it, and this is how it works. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.